Hello everyone, how are you? Now we talking about past tense. Continue explain about the past simple tense. Now I talk about how you make positive sentence and negative sentence and questions with YH questions and yes no question. Okay, the past tense past simple الماضي البسيط. The past simple talking express a past action that is finished. زمن المضارع البسيط يتحدث عن حدث انتهى في الماضي. Action that is finished. حدث انتهى بالماضي، يعني مو بعد ما نخلص، انتهى موضوعه في الماضي. I lived in Rome when I was 6. أنا كنت أعيش في روما من كان عمري 6 سنين، لكن هو الآن ما يعيش بروما. ليش؟ انتهى الحدث. في زمن عمر 6 سنين كان عايش هناك. She started school when she was 4. هو بدأ درسته عندما كان في الرابعة من عمره. وقت بدأ من كان بالرابع، إذن هذا الحدث في الماضي. The past simple talking about action that is finished. Past action that is finished. The form of the past simple is the same in all person. شكل الفعل نفسه يبقى. Don't change with all persons means in singular and plural is stay same it. I mean the same in all persons، سواء كان بالمفرد أو الجمع يبقى نفسه ما يتغير. Okay. If the verb is a main verb، إذا كان الفعل فعل رئيسي للجملة، not auxiliary verb like was and were was to singular and were to a plural. But now talking about a main verb like the verb lived يعيش. In first case is positive المثبت. When we make a sentence with in the past with and positive case is first put the subject, and after the subject is the main verb in the past, and this is a complement of the sentence. وهذه تكملة للجملة. فاعل وفعل. Can you put adjective or any else word but according to the verb، يعني حسب الفعل إذا كان متعدي أو غير متعدي. This is not out of question، هذا مو موضوعنا الآن، بس you must know when you structures the sentence, you must put the first subject is maybe can put a noun or pronoun, and after that plus verb in the past and a complement of the sentence. This sentence, when you make it a negative, what you doing? What you doing? If you found, you look to the sentence, and if you found a main verb, not verb to be, and not any auxiliary verb, what you doing? You look to the left, and I want from the sentence to make it a negative. What you do? I put did before a main verb, and the verb make it infinitive or a basic verb. مثل هذه الحالة إذا تريد تحول الفعل تحولها الجملة إلى جملة منفية، شو تسوي؟ تباوع على الفعل الرئيسي. إذا الفعل إذا تلقاه فعل رئيسي مو أحد الأفعال المساعدة، تجيب did وتخليها قبله وترجع الفعل إلى ما كان عليه without ed، يعني توخر الماضي من عنده يصبح infinitive verb أو basic verb، فعل مجرد خالي من أي إضافة. تخلي did وتخلي الفعل المجرد الخالي من أي إضافة وتكمل الجملة. In this case we will make this sentence negative. Okay? This is, you use didn't, we use didn't plus infinitive without to in all person. Okay? Number 3, a question. How to question with past tense. We use did plus subject plus infinitive without in all person. When you make a question, you must first put hy question، تخلي أول شيء أداة سؤال and plus did plus subject plus infinitive verb without to. أول مرة تخلي أداة السؤال، بعدين الفعل المساعد، وبعد الفعل المساعد تخلي الفاعل، وبعد الفاعل تخلي الفعل الرئيسي للجملة ويصبح سؤال. هذه الطريقة if you want to ask with WH question، إذا تريد تسوي سؤال بأداة السؤال. الطريقة الثانية a second method yes no question, and this question the answer of this question yes or no and short answer. You must put the did in the first and subject and a verb, infinitive verb without to and the complement of the sentence. هذه الطريقة yes or no question تقدم الفعل المساعد على الفاعل، والفعل المساعد قلنا احنا اللي اختارنا because he is past you must use did. Present, in present you was do and does, but in the past you must use did. Put did in the first and after last subject plus main verb, infinitive without to, and complement of the sentence. And the answer of this question, yes or no. No, I didn't. No, we didn't. Yes, he did. If we put yes, you must without make the negative auxiliary. الجواب إذا كان بنو فأنت لازم تنفي الفعل المساعد، وإذا كان بيس لازم تخلي الفعل المساعد مثبت. Okay. Now I want to or explain about past tense question with did and was or were. السؤال هنا الباست احنا شنو how can know what the difference between when you ask with did or ask with were was and were. شنو الفرق إذا استخدمت أو سألت سؤال بالماضي باستخدام did واستخدام was أو were؟ شنو الفرق بيناتهم؟ شلون تقدر تفرق؟ شو وقت استخدم did بالسؤال بالماضي وش وقت استخدم were في السؤال بالماضي؟ I will explain about that. Did question about action. إذا read if you want to ask with did the question about action, and was were question about description. did نستخدم عن action فعل بأكشن أو حركة، والدescription وصف. Pay attention to me. Listen to me. If you want to ask with did, must you contain a verb, infinitive verb without to. And when you ask was or were, you must description something. الفرق اللي بينات did أو was أو were، من تسأل did لازم بالجملة أكو فعل مجرد خالي من أي إضافة. يعني بعد السؤال did تشوف الفعل يجي وراها فعل لازم موجود فعل خالي من أي إضافة. أما السؤال was were ما راح يجي وراها فعل، لا يجي أما يجي وراها اسم أو يجي وراها صفة أو يجي وراها فعل لكن الفعل يحتوي على ing. اوكي، فلهذا نعرف شو الفرق between them. السؤال did لازم يحتوي الجملة تحتوي على فعل مجرد خالي من أي إضافة، والسؤال was were لا تأتي بعدها أما اسم أو صفة أو فعل يحتوي على ing. This is the difference between when you ask with did and when you ask was and were. Now I will explain about did, also did and were. Pay attention about something. When you ask with did, you must not use be in the sentence. من تريد تسأل بأداة السؤال did لازم أو الverb to be اللي هن am و is و are و was و were لازم ما تستخدمهم بالجملة. زين إذا تشوف be بالجملة if you found be in the sentence you must not ask with did. يعني إذا شفت verb to be بالجملة لازم ما تسأل did، تسأل was and were فقط الذل. اوكي، فإذا شفت هذه الجملة فمعناها الجملة is strong is incorrect. الأصح شنو؟ you must were you in the class. أين كنت في الصف؟ أين كنت في الصف؟ تسأل where not did you be. be means am, is, are, was, were. Must you ask with were you in a class yesterday? This is a correct sentence. I saw Muna yesterday. I saw Muna yesterday. When make it negative, I didn't see Muna yesterday. She did a cartwheel. She didn't do a cartwheel. cartwheel لعبة معناها الشقلبة في لعبة الجمناستيك. هنا did مو فعل مساعد، فعل رئيسي للجملة، فمن نفينا الجملة خلينا didn't وهذا الفعل رجعناه للمضارع مالته سوينا do. اوكي، سوينا do. she didn't do a cartwheel. هذه بالنسبة إذا كان there is a main verb in the sentence, not verb to be. If you make a verb to be negative, she was smart. She wasn't smart. She wasn't smart. Okay. من تريد تنفي جملة تحتوي على فعل رئيسي لازم تجيب فعل مساعد verb to do to make it negative. لكن إذا الجملة تحتوي على verb to be like is, am, are, was, were, no, you must put not after it to make negative. قبل تخلي not إلها وتصبح الجملة منفية. Thank you very much. Goodbye.